Let's take a moment to look at how to install VS Code in Windows 11. I'm going to launch Firefox here and do a search for Microsoft, I guess VS Code. VS Code's pretty well known. And we'll get a download Visual Studio Code. There we go. And we are downloading it for Windows 11. User installer, system installer, zip, command line. Geez, I don't know which one. I'm going to choose user installer. Thanks for downloading VS Code. Oh, it looks like I'm getting an exe file. It's an executable file. And we'll take a look and see. We're completed there. Where did that end up going? Looks like it went into my downloads folder. Downloads up here. It's in my downloads folder. So what happens if I double click that? Oh, it looks like it's an installer. I accept the agreement. Next. Oops. Back. Oh, this is where it's going to install it there. So I'll just accept the default there. Notice it says it needs 414 megabytes of free space. So I hope I have that there. And there we go. Create a desktop icon. I think I'll do that as well. Add to path and register code. Good. I'm going to choose those two. And we'll just set those, leave those defaults there. And we're installing now. So hopefully it won't take too long to bring these down onto your computer. It'll install everything where it's supposed to and put an icon on my desktop. Finish. And it says it's going to launch Visual Studio Code, which is right there. So get rid of that. There we are with Visual Studio Code. I'm actually going to close that out. And let me go ahead and close all this on Windows. You can see there's that shortcut that it put for Visual Studio Code. I can also, in my search now, I can just, if I need to launch something, I can say VS Code, and it will launch that app for me there. So this is Visual Studio Code getting started, and you're all set.